Alright, that's enough for our sea lion friends. Here we go!
Wow! Ah! Ang galing naman!
Hello everyone!
Wow! Ah!
Wow, what a beautiful exercise! Good day everyone and welcome to our podcast. By the way, I'm Trainer First and I would like to meet my friend. Together with the trainer, one of a time. On the left side, the female South American sea lion that we have. And what is her trainer? She is the pretty yes. Wow, confident. Her name is Ivy. Together with Trainer Grace, say hi! While on the other side, the youngest female South American sea lion that we have. And what is her trainer? She is the prettiest that. Oh, this tiger, her name is Ira. Together with Trainer Tina, say hello! Now,
Ah!
let's continue.
Cute na
So,
kayo, oy.
do you have any idea why they're called sea or better for marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey, ladies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term finiped may be also translated as wing possessed, since their flippers salute somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swing from place to place, right, ladies? And you know, they're often mistaken as a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a sea lion is the fact they are bigger, broad flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk right while on land. And that's the fine demonstration of the royal blood for sea lion brand. And you know what, guys? They have these long and flexible legs. How flexible? Whoa, check this out. So flexible, right? How the royal blood for sea lion brand. As you can see, their body is covered with a thick coat of short, coarse hair. And their whiskers help the sea lion and soft touch. They contain nerve fibers, which make them and wow, nice. Hey! They may also use their whiskers to aid and navigation, or to detect vibrations from rain in the water. And their small electrics give them a good sense of hearing, bottom up, and below the water surface. Sea lions like many marine mammals can see both bottom up and underwater. They have keen eyesight, but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit water close to shore. Plant walking in big typhoons and have a preference for rocky regions. They have excellent flying abilities, which can easily escape rocky to land. Well, check this out. Shooting from livers. Now, let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Ira. That's you. Sea lions generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour, using a rowing movement of their broad flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder-board steering. And that is the normal swing, nice and easy. Thank you, Ira and Regina. But when changing their brakes or escaping from predators, they can achieve a very speed up too. Ready at peace. 25 miles per hour. That is so fast. Our rate of loss per IC. Pretty yeah. Wow, nice, nice bird. And another another one. Visitors there. Now, here's an interesting story about the sea lion. Did you know that the U.S. Navy has trained many of them to take part in their special operations? Yeah, that's right. They're able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes and they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best TV diver would be and hit off. And since cannot be detected by the radar underwater, their thought recognizing a voice underwater mind. Alright, ladies, trainers, are you ready? One and two. Now, let's march. Ready? Up, two, three, four, up, two, salute. Now, this time, would you please join our sea lion salute? In a count of three, everybody please salute and make this one now. Alright guys, are you ready? Hey guys, I can hear you. Are you ready? Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3. Salute everybody. Thank you so much. Well, sea lions are also in the dirt and they cover equipment from the water. H2O. Okay, great. What's first? The ring. Going to get the ring. Sea lion first. And they got it! Of the roadblock from Sea Lion Brand! Excellent work, ladies! And another one! They are equal red! So, trainers, what's next? The ball! How do you think they get the ball? It's a ball button! Careful, almost there. Careful. Steady it. Fantastic! Over the roadblock for Sea Lion Brand. Excellent work, ladies. Now, this time, would you love to hear that number from our Sea Lion Brand? Hey guys, where's energy? Would you love to see the dance? Well, here is Michael. Let's move it. Look here, let's go. And now, go in side by side. And simply presenting into the water body. With it and trainer. And round to work we'll go. Round and round. On the other side, round and round. Okay, ladies, hold it up, shake. Our favorite part, the booty shaker. Shake your booty. Go, Peter. Yeah. And keep on rolling. Okay, ladies, hold it up, you guys. People of the crowd, ready your camera, people. Keep and hard. Steady it. And for the finale. Steady it. Now let's go. Another score for Sea Lion Brand and River Dance Club. We're gonna make dance number. It's stupid. We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here in Aquatic Club with your newfound friends, the South American Sea Lion, Isis and Ira. And we also hope that even after you leave, you will take this experience
Lagi siya.
wherever you go. And remember what we do here on that, when we affect
Wala,
our
nadalay. Wala, kay di gimahag mo yun.
and survival by the environment. So let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to the survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. This is for all species like our ordinary use. Always keep in mind that we're steward of our planet and thus, each one of us must do what we can to protect and preserve all the habitats of our Mother Earth, including ourselves. So as we are all trying to break, I recommend Regina, all of us here at Hawaii and Manila Open Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We hope you all enjoy and visit us again soon. So thank you